Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video we are responding to the many comments that you guys have left on previous videos asking us to drop an update for Netflix. This is that video. So today's video I'm going to give you guys an update on how you can enjoy Netflix for free. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this anytime we drop them. So without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, I need you to head over to your App Store or Play Store and download this browser over here. It's called DuckDuckGo. Now, there's a reason why I want you guys to use this particular browser, and as we progress in the tutorial, I'll explain why. So make sure you download this browser onto your mobile device. It's available for download on both Android and iOS. Next, I want you to open this link. I'll link the link in the description below, so check it out. Now, when you open the link, some of you will be met with this page over here, which is giving you 14 days free trial. Others will be met with a page like this, which is not giving you anything. Now, this is the reason why I want you to download DuckDuckGo. You see the fire button at the middle of the browser? If you guys are getting something like this, which is not giving you access to the free trial of Netflix, tap on this button over here, which is the burn button, to burn the session and then open the link again. Now, you can keep doing this till you get the free trial. There are 3 different free trials that you get from this link. There's the 14 days like you are seeing on your screen right here. And there's also the 7 days, which you are also seeing right here on your screen. And last but not least, there's the 30 days. This is the reason why I asked you to download the DuckDuckGo, because you can keep burning the sessions in the DuckDuckGo browser until you get the number of free trial that you want, whether you want the 14 days, the 7 days, or the 30 days. So I want the 30 days, so I'm going to proceed with the 30 days. Enter your email in the space provided. And then tap on this button right here. Over here on this page, tap on send link. Now, a sign up link will be sent to your email that you provided. That link will help you create an account, or you can just create a password instead. I prefer to use the sign up link. So if you're also going to use the sign up link, please follow the rest of the tutorial. Head over to your inbox and then open the email you just received from Netflix. Now, I want you to press and hold this button over here. When you see the pop-up menu, tap on copy link. Now head back to your DuckDuckGo browser and open the link in your DuckDuckGo browser. When you successfully load the page in your DuckDuckGo browser, tap on Finish Sign Up. Tap on Next. Choose the plan of your choice. I'm going to go with the premium plan. Now over here is another tricky part. It is tricky because your payment method needs to match the region where you are creating your account. I live in Ghana, so I need to use a card that was issued here in Ghana. I cannot use a dollar card. It will not work. If I live in the US, I can use a dollar card because the account is being created in the United States. If you live in the UK, you can use a card that was issued in the UK because your account is being created in the UK. So make sure you use the appropriate card. Now, for those of you in Ghana who do not have access to a card, you can always get one using the EcoBank virtual card. I will leave a link in the description for that tutorial, so you can check it out, follow it, and then get yourself a virtual card from EcoBank and you can use it for your Netflix. After entering your card details, check the box here and then tap on Start Membership. Over here, enter your phone number and tap on Next. Now, as you can see, I just got an alert that I was debited 12 cedis from my EcoBank card. Netflix is just checking to see if the payment method I added is actually working, or in other words, it has some funds in it. Don't worry, after a short while, you'll be refunded the exact same amount back onto your card. Now on this page, create a profile for your Netflix account and then tap on Next. Over here, select your preferred language and then tap on Next. And just like that, you have successfully created your Netflix account. Now you can log in onto your mobile device by downloading the app, or you can log in on your PC or even on your TV set, and you can enjoy Netflix for free for the next 30 days or the next 7 days or the next 14 days. So that is how you can enjoy Netflix for free. If you found the tutorial helpful, please leave us a like and also share this tutorial with your friends and family so they can also enjoy Netflix for free. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.